What's up, everybody? I hope you guys are doing well. Today I'll be showing you how do you change your Gmail password using the PC or a Chrome browser on the PC. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So first of all, I'm just gonna open up my Gmail real quick, and I'm just gonna sign out. And now what I want to do is I want to sign in again, but I need to enter the password if I press continue. Right, so let's just suppose we'll just go for the use another account option, and if I enter my email here, and then I'll be given this option, which is the forgot password. Now this option is if you have forgotten your password, and you can recover it from your phone. You can use another way. You can get a text on your on your cell phone, and if you don't have a phone, then you can see that it says that there was no way for Google to sign you in. But in case you do remember your password, let's hope this password works. Oh my god. So I quickly just used my phone to log myself into my Gmail account. So now what I want you guys to do is press on your profile icon, press manage your Google account. Next, on the left side, there's this option that says security, the panel. You go there, you scroll down a little, and you will see that under signing into Google, there's this option that says password. You're gonna go in there, and then you can just enter your new password, and then you're gonna hit change password, and then your password will be changed. So that is pretty much all from this video. I hope this video is helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys.